Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how Cash App sold essentially free Crocs yesterday. So if you aren't already, definitely follow Cash App, turn on their post notifications, because I got this notification yesterday. As soon as I got it, I went to my computer and I went through the process and it worked. This was like 19 hours ago yesterday. They made this tweet: today get 99% off Crocs. Limited time, max discount $50 with your Cash App card. So it looks like it lasted about an hour. So as soon as I saw this notification come through, I went to crocs.com. You could go to like any of their Crocs. So these are like $49.99, so basically you'd just get them for free, 99% off. I guess it would be like $1 or 50 cents or whatever. I ended up going with these ones instead, the all-terrain, just because I don't have these yet. Wanted to try them out. They're like $5 extra. So all you need to do is stuff that I talk about in every video. Have money in your Cash App balance, turn on the boost, and then use your card through crocs.com, and it's going to automatically give you that discount. I'll show you what this looked like on my end. So I made a tweet right here. Cash App currently has 99% off boost for Crocs, go, go, go. And here's what I saw after I purchased. So I ended up paying about $9.84 because of the $5 and then the tax that they charge you. And I think it might have been like $4 for shipping or something like that. Or wait, no, it was free shipping, so I think it was just the tax. But that was yesterday, 3:38 p.m., 99% boost applied. So very cool stuff that they're doing this. And if we go back to the Cash App page, they're doing another one today. It says turn on your notifications for tomorrow's Cash App 99% off boost. Here's the hint. I don't know what that could mean. Looks like some sort of spa treatment or something. So you'll have to wait for the tweet and find out what it's all about. But yeah, crazy that they would give a 99% off discount on something. Hope you guys found this helpful. Hope you enjoyed it. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.